Nice to meet you, Jose. You're the one I talked to, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
You lost it. You
I
have the
locked
key.
my keys in the house.
It's inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was trying to
It's a
take
big
care
dog.
of...
You have
No,
a.
no.
Okay. It's friendly.
Yeah, she won't hurt you. Especially with me right here.
It's only close the bottom, right?
Hmm?
Only close the bottom.
I'm pretty sure I only locked the bottom one.
You have other door.
Hmm?
You have other door.
Uh-huh.
Do you have other
A
door?
glass door.
Glass sliding. Okay. Let me try to this side. Okay.
Did you get it?
Yes, I got it.
You got it, okay.
You take that one,
Let me
please.
unlock the door.
Be careful.
Okay. Let me grab my keys.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Select this auction, please.
Oh, a tip?
It's your auction.
Okay. Well, $70 is a lot of money, so we'll just
Normally
skip
for that one, other companies charging $120, $150.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
I've never had to use one, so I didn't
Yeah.
know.
Sign in the middle, please.
Okay. I've never had to use one myself. All right.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you too.
Have a blessed day.
You too.